Making conversations casual. The versatile, sounds good. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're focusing on a very important, but fun, aspect of conversational English: accepting offers. Specifically, we're going to delve into the use of the phrase, sounds good. This informal expression is widely used in English-speaking communities, so let's get started. Sounds good is an informal way to express your agreement with a suggestion or an offer. When someone makes an offer or proposes an idea, and you say, sounds good, it means you like the idea and you're agreeing to it. You can think of it as a more casual way to say, that seems like a good idea. You can use sounds good in a variety of contexts. Here are a few examples. When someone suggests a place to eat, how about we grab some pizza for dinner? Sounds good when someone proposes a time to meet. Let's meet at 3 p.m. tomorrow for the project discussion. Sounds good when someone offers to help you. I can help you with your presentation if you want. Sounds good, thanks. Remember, sounds good is typically used in informal situations, such as when talking with friends or colleagues. It may not be as appropriate in very formal situations or in written communication. Just like any other phrase in the English language, sounds good has several alternatives. Some of these include, that works for me, I'm up for that, great idea, sounds like a plan. You can use these phrases interchangeably depending on the situation and your preference. But remember, they all carry a similar level of informality and imply agreement with the suggestion or offer. Well, that's all for today. I hope this video has helped you understand how to use the phrase, sounds good, when accepting offers or agreeing to suggestions. Remember, conversational English is all about being casual and comfortable, and expressions like, sounds good, will surely make your conversation sound more natural and relaxed. So, go ahead and start incorporating it into your daily English conversations. Until next time, keep practicing and stay confident.